This is SARS-CoV-2, the virus that caused the pandemic we'll never forget. But what actually happens when this tiny spiky ball gets inside your body? How does it attack your lungs, cause pneumonia, and how can a vaccine stop it? Let's dive inside your body to find out. Part 1. Meet the virus. SARS-CoV-2 belongs to the coronavirus family, named after those crown-like spikes on its surface. Inside, it carries genetic material, basically the blueprint to make more copies of itself. It's wrapped in a protein shell and a fatty envelope, which allows it to sneak into your cells like a thief with the perfect key. Those spikes? They're the keys. They latch onto receptors on your cells, unlock the door, and let the virus invade. Part 2. The infection begins. When an infected person coughs, sneezes, or even talks, droplets filled with the virus can land in your mouth or nose and travel down into your lungs. Once inside, the virus binds to healthy cells in your airways. And unlike the flu virus, which usually has to enter the cell's nucleus, the coronavirus takes a shortcut. It hijacks tiny structures in your cell called ribosomes, the protein factories, and orders them to build more spikes, shells, and copies of itself. Soon, your cell is working for the enemy. It assembles new viruses, which break out of your cell and spread like wildfire. Part 3. Inside your lungs. Your lungs are like giant trees with thousands of little branches, ending in tiny sacs called alveoli. These sacs are where oxygen enters your blood and carbon dioxide leaves. Normally, your immune system protects these sacs. But when coronavirus multiplies too fast, your immune cells rush in and the battle gets messy. The infection inflames your bronchioles and alveoli, filling them with fluid. This is pneumonia. Your body is drowning itself in its own defenses. That's why people struggle to breathe. In severe cases, oxygen drops so low that patients need ventilators just to survive. Part 4. The symptoms. The results? Fever, cough, chest pain, chills, headaches, fatigue, and in the worst cases, respiratory failure. How bad it gets depends on your age, your health, and how strong your immune system is when the virus strikes. Part 5. How a vaccine works. So how does a vaccine help? Think of it as a training manual for your immune system. The shot introduces a harmless version of the virus or just its spike protein. Your body learns to recognize it and creates antibodies, tiny defenders that block the spikes from attaching to your cells. That way, if the real virus shows up later, your immune system is ready. It spots the invader instantly and destroys it before it can spread. Developing vaccines usually takes years, but scientists raced against time to create one for COVID-19 in record-breaking speed. So, next time you wash your hands or wear a mask, remember, you're helping your immune system fight a battle that starts deep inside your lungs. This is FactLab, bringing you closer to the science of life, space, and the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next mind-bending what-if scenario.